So the many times in our journey, Japa, myself, the partners, the company has been challenged. Many times we have hit the wall. The fact that we stand here after 23 years is a message that we will not give in. We will fight back. Whatever the challenge out there, we will overcome. Simply because of one thing and one thing only. Because we know in our hearts that this business and what we do helps more people than anything else out there at the moment. And the people who hold you down are simply people who have not been able to fulfill their own dreams. Do not let other people tell you what you can or cannot do. This has to be a journey that you embark by yourself. We have built champions around the world, but champions are not made in harmony and peace. Champions are not made by the swimming pool or in a resort somewhere. Champions are made when they are pushed to the wall. Champions are made when they have to fight back. So challenges come to us. Always, for every person that you see become successful, there's 100 on the way, still trying, still struggling, still falling. And therein lies the secret to success, being able to pick yourself up and focus on the game. A dream is not won easily. A dream is like scaling a mountain. It is taking a risk, hanging on with your fingertips sometimes, falling sometimes, starting again sometimes. But that's what life is all about. That's what makes it all such a wonderful journey.